Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with HubSpot, one of the most powerful all-in-one marketing platforms, and how to grab their starter plan for just $9 per month, or even better, how you can still get started completely free with their suite of free tools. So make sure you watch till the end. This deal is seriously worth it. Here's how it works. Head to the description below or the first pinned comment and you'll find my special HubSpot link. Click on it and it will take you straight to HubSpot's official site where you can claim the offer. Right now, new users can get up to 40% off HubSpot's Marketing Hub Starter Plan. That's just $9 per month, billed annually. Normally, it's $15, so you're getting a great deal. If you prefer to pay monthly, it's $15 instead of $20. This plan is perfect for small teams or solo founders who want to start generating leads and automating marketing. Without breaking the bank, you'll get 1,000 marketing contacts, 500 HubSpot credits, simple automation tools, messaging insights, email and in-app chat support. But if you're not ready to go all in just yet, you can still get started completely free. That's right, HubSpot offers a full suite of free tools you can use right away, with no credit card required. That includes free marketing tools, free sales tools, free service tools, free content tools, free data tools. You can start sending emails, capturing leads, managing contacts, and even measuring performance, all for free. And here's what I love about HubSpot. You can use all of this with zero technical skills. It's built to scale with you. So whether you're just starting out or already running a business, you're covered. Still not sure if it's worth it? Remember, you can still get started completely free. That gives you the flexibility to try everything out, build momentum, and then upgrade when you're ready. No risk, no pressure. Even better, if you want the complete growth platform, HubSpot also offers the Starter Customer Platform for just $9 per month seat. That includes Marketing Hub Starter, Sales Hub Starter, Service Hub Starter, Content Hub Starter, Data Hub Starter. Everything works together, from generating leads to closing deals and managing your content and data. So whether you choose the paid starter plan or the free tools, just take action now. You can still get started completely free, and you'll have everything you need to grow. Click the link in the description, sign up, and start building your business with HubSpot today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you signed up and what you're working.